All right. Hi, everyone. Um, so I just wanted to do a quick recap of this morning's class. For those of you that either couldn't make it or that may just want kind of some more information or a reminder of what we went over. Um, so first off, I just welcomed everyone to class. I hope that you're looking forward to this class and that you're going to find the information within it useful. Um, a lot of you guys mentioned during the class period that were in there that you haven't gotten the textbook yet. So I did some hunting and I found a digital version of it. It was in collegetobook.com. Um, it's a digital copy. It's $18.89, so it's the cheapest I could find online. Most of them are at least $30 or $40. Was the next cheapest I could find. Um, so it's a pretty good deal. They send you an immediate PDF version of the book, and so that's how they deal. Um, and so basically, as soon as you purchase the book, you'll get an email with that PDF in it that you'll be able to access right away. And it, from what it looks like and from what I've heard, it sounds like it's exactly the same book that I'm using. So that'll be perfect. It's just in a digital format. Nice thing with digital, you can do like a word find, things like that if you're looking for something specific within that text. So that's a good thing. Um, all right. As of the making of this video, so at this moment, I'm still waiting to hear back from the department about the syllabus. I'm waiting for them to give me one for the summertime. I'm also waiting to hear back for them for the confirmation of the papers. I'm planning on doing 3 papers for this class. There'll be 2 or 3 pages on different research topics, so pretty easy. Something to remember: all the writing in this class is going to be APA format and not MLA format. So when you're writing within psychology and within the other sciences, APA format is kind of the go-to. MLA is more for things like literature and English and those kinds of classes. Um, Also, there's a chance that we'll have a digital lab. So that's something I'm also waiting for the department to get back to me on. This class usually has an in-person lab, and so I'm just waiting to hear from them on if they want to do a digital format lab or if they want to just drop it totally for this semester. So I'm waiting to hear back from them on that one. Um, with all of these, I'll be updating it on D2L as I hear from the department. So just be kind of aware of that and be checking in regularly on your D2L. I created a discussion board on D2L. So just on the top left, it says discussions. Um, you should be able to go into it. If you have any questions or just general comments and things, you can go through that. That way I'll see it, but then also all of your fellow classmates will also see it and they can jump in on the conversation. That way, if they have some information that I don't have, they can share that with you. Or if they see it before I do, they can also jump in and see if they can give you an answer before me. Let's see. At this point, since I was able to find that textbook, I'm going to go ahead and keep uh, the chapter quizzes or module quizzes up. I'm going to go ahead and bump this week's modules, the quizzes at least, to next week. So if you can get the book, go ahead and read through it. It's about 30 pages, I think, for the first 2 chapters or modules. What we'll be doing, and that's what we'll be kind of going through on Thursday, is going through those modules. But the quizzes, I'm going to go ahead and extend their time to next week. So that way, if you don't have the textbook by the end of this week, you'll still be able to do those quizzes to get those 5 points. It's not a lot of points per quiz, but it adds up when it's all said and done. I'm going to keep meeting at normal time, so the 8:08 on Tuesdays and Thursdays. We'll continue to have these kind of live sessions. But I am exploring the idea of recording the lectures and posting them, kind of like I'm posting this video now. So that way you all can access them at any time. So you don't have to be there at that 8:08. I'll figure out a way to make it to where I can basically give you credit for being in class after you watch them. Come up with something, a little quiz or something, I don't know, some question or maybe a comment thing or something. But what I'm gonna do is then during our actual meeting times, where we're meeting through this through D2L or through WebEx, we'll be using that time to kind of just discuss the information that you were given, as well as if you have any questions or things like that throughout this whole process. That way you get a chance to ask all those questions in a more in-person-ish way. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at this point. I hope this is helpful. I'll keep you posted. Keep checking your announcements every day throughout this semester. That's going to be the number one way that I get this information to you. As things come up, or as things change, or as just general information, that's how it'll work the best. So I look forward to seeing you all on Thursday. And until then, I hope you're able to get a hold of the book and start doing some of the reading. It's really interesting stuff. Um, so yeah, I will see you all on Thursday. Have a great day. We'll see you later. Bye.